Greetings to our valued audience. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our subscribers whose unwavering support inspires us to persist in our endeavors. If you have not yet subscribed, we encourage you to do so as it will ensure you remain informed about our latest content without any adverse effect. We invite you to like and subscribe to our channel to be among the first to receive notification when we release new videos. In today's video, we will focus on the proper execution of lunge workout, highlighting its advantages whilst minimizing the risk of injury. The lunge is widely recognized and adaptable exercise. The lunge is a widely recognized and adaptable exercise that effectively strengthens the lower body by engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. By altering your technique, you can target specific muscle or their various components, enhancing the overall effectiveness of your workout. To perform a lunge correctly and reap its full benefits, begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands resting on your hips. Step forward with one leg, bending your knees to lower your hips until your back knee is close to the ground. Maintain an upright posture, ensuring that your front knee remains aligned with your front foot. Push through the heel of your leading foot to return to the starting position. Then alternate legs. Now let us engage in a 12 lunge challenge together. I'll count down from 5 to 1 and we will begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness resources that can aid you in your journey towards transformation. Thank you for watching, and we'll be happy to see you next time. Bye bye.
I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off